G'day guys, today we're going to be talking about downcut router bits and particularly the difference between single, double and three wing cutters. So what is a downcut bit? Well, downcut just refers to the direction of the flute when you're milling. This gives you a perfect finish on the top of the board when you're pocketing, grooving or milling. So it gives you a great finish whether you're working with MDF, chipboard or even any soft veneers or vinyl wrap surfaces. The main point of difference between 1, 2 and 3 wing router bits is that the machine processing speeds increase with the number of flutes. The 1 wing is the most versatile of the three as it works well on any material. It allows the cutter to plunge at a steep angle and prevents clogging even when the cutting diameter is as small as 2 or 3 millimeters. 2 wings work best on MDF and plywood, creating a smooth cuts at a greater speed than the single flute. 3 wings have the highest feed rate and the longest lifetime of all wing downcut router bits. It's a very smooth cutting and it works best on chipboard. Thanks guys, I hope that was informative. If you want to talk tools again, please drop us a line at info@paneltoolsonline.com.au. Cheers.